Everyone, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to set up your multi-location account to manage all of your locations, to manage your franchise system, to collect fees, and our licensing system. First, you're going to head over to our multi-location management. Make sure you're at the right one. It's going to say your master account, right? If you use the same login for your MyStudio normal login, it's not going to work. So make sure you head to the right URL. We recommend bookmarking that. Click register free account. Okay, again, select the franchise management system. This is okay. Go ahead. If you're multi-location, you don't have a franchise, or you're licensing or you're coaching, don't worry. Just go ahead and select that and then click next. Complete the steps here. You can use any email you like. You can even use a current email that you're using to log into your MyStudio account, which will work fine because these are two separate systems. Once you create that, you go ahead and log back in. So I'll go back and log in here to our system. You're gonna see a dashboard that looks like this. Yours is gonna be empty. Don't worry, we're gonna populate it with accounts and with data right immediately when you connect an account. First, go to programs. Whether you're managing a franchise system or a normal option, just go here. Click add program option. Let's say this is karate locations. Maybe name it that, okay? You can name it, a state. If you have a X amount of location in a certain state you want to look at compared to different states, you can do that, or you can just bunch it all into one. Percentage fee, click 0. How this works, okay? Let me explain this fee collection real quick. At Encourage Studios, we collect 7% off the top of all of our schools. That goes into our management system. That management system pays our accounting, our administrative, our COO, as well as our event and marketing coordinator, right? So that's the management fee that we take. So you can take literally 2% off the top of every sales item that goes through the system. Meaning what happens is, let's say you want to take 2% to cover your administrative costs. Right when you connect an account in, we're going to collect 2% off of every single sale at the point of transaction. So for example, if $100 go through the system at your location 1 or whatever location you're connected, $98 will be split. If $98 will go to that MyStudio account, while $2 will go to the specified bank account that is in your multi-location management system, right? And all of the data that shows in your MyStudio account will show $98. Okay, it'll show that it's collected $100, but then the net will be 98, right? So all of that is pre-calculated, everything at the point of sale, so you don't have to worry about counting, etc. Let's say you don't want to do that, just go ahead and leave that 0, and you're going to go ahead and publish that. Okay, now you go to your live location. You'll see you have that karate location now. So that's the first thing you got to do. You got to create a program. Okay, here we have 2 different programs: our Encourage System Enterprise program and our financial partnership that's there. So now I go back and click locations now. Here are all the connected locations. You need to click connect account. All right, select the program. In this case, I created a karate location, so I'm gonna collect that. Click next. Now you're gonna put in the MyStudio login email that you use, the actual email that you use to log into your MyStudio account. You put in that studio code for that particular account, right? The same studio code that your students log in using the app, and then you click send invitation. What happens is our system is gonna send an email to that email address, which is here. It's gonna say, hi, you've been invited to join, Encourage Martial Arts, whatever business that you named is that, please confirm. They're gonna need to confirm that in order to be connected, okay? Those of you doing licensing and franchising or coaching programs, this is important because once they click accept into your program, into your system, if you set up a 2% charge, 5%, 6% charge, it's gonna happen automatically with every single sale that happens to this minute going forward. The second option, or the second stage of this, is we're going to allow you to collect a set monthly fee. For example, you want to collect a $500 licensing fee. You're going to be able to do that, with every account that you add. Once you add the location, you'll see here, it will show you total leads, total trials, conversion, net members, right? All the big KPI, the key performance indicators you see here. Account sales, master account sales are money that is collected to the multi-location account, okay? If you're collecting like a percentage of sale or a flat fee per month. Here, this is month to date. I can change this. I can go year to date. I'll get all my information there. I can go custom range. Let's say I want to go from February to April right now. And then I say, hey, you know what? I want to see how my Fairfax locations are doing. So I'll click on my Fairfax location right there. And that will give you just that Fairfax location. So February to April, here are the trials, here's the conversion rate. This account is doing pretty well. We're seeing some good net gain, and there are the sales. Okay, so that's how you kind of get a broad view, broad data. Great, we use this a lot in our meetings. So our operators don't have to bring all this data to us. We have it right in front of our face, we share it, and we talk about it. It's like a scoreboard, saves me a lot of time when we do our location meeting. Additionally, if I want to dive deeper into the location, I'll go to Fairfax, I'll click right onto it. It's going to pull up the main dashboard that I want to see, okay? So again, this is the studio's dashboard. I see the financial numbers here. I can dig deep and see how their sales are going. I see the past due, failed payment, billing for the next 30 days. I see the total accounts. I see if they're netting or gaining or losing students, right? And I see the cancellation and retention numbers. So pretty much everything I need to see at a high level if I'm managing my multi-location, if I'm coaching a client, or I'm managing a big franchise. Again, this is stage one, a lot more to come. The next thing we're gonna do is the ability for you to clone event, membership, retail to any location you want. So let's say I created a parents' night out event for, I don't know, back to school night or summer jam. I can duplicate that event that I created from one location to any locations that are connected here. All right. Any questions or concern, please email me directly at that is tu@mystudio.academy. Again, my email address is tu@mystudio.academy. That goes straight to my email. I am in charge of the multi-location franchise and licensing system. Excited to help you guys with any questions. Thank you so much.